Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So as in the previous video, we have seen how you can upload any video file, any video raw data in S3 bucket from URL itself. No local usage, only servers. Okay. So in today's video, we will see like how you can manipulate this data. Okay. So if I show you my admin panel, I've added like 4 to 5 movies. I think I have added around to 10. Okay. So here are around to 10. Okay, fine. So these are the movies, basically these I have added. Okay, and we can control these movies from our admin panel itself. I can publish them, or I can unpublish them, okay, from itself here. So this dashboard, it was present with me, I have not coded it. Okay, so as you can see here, customer, employee, bill, analytics. So this is an admin panel of one like employee system. Okay, so that website that I was having, and I've just copy pasted that admin panel, and I have changes little bit of things, but a few of things are still remaining. Cool, perfect. Now what is our today task? When I go to home now, I want this image to be manipulated according, like it should come from backend. Okay, after that these images should come from backend. Okay, perfect, fine. Now let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we need to fetch this data from DB. Okay, whatever the data we are seeing here, we need to fetch this from DB. So for that, what I will do, I will come here, and first of all I will delete this one data. Okay, first I will delete this one data, and let's make here one query from our DB. Okay, so here I have made one query with the promise. Okay, so I'm saying select star from movie where movie ID is equals to this. Okay, so here what will happen, I will get this banner data. Okay, now next what I will say, that from DB select poster URL. Poster URL means the images which will be displayed here. Okay, after that movie ID. Okay, and after that title from, and okay, title. These three things we will require, and I am saying that the limit should be 20. We will make here few more conditions in future. Okay, but for now this is only. Okay, so what next I am going to do right now, now we need to show this data here. Okay, this banner data, I need to show this data here. So I will say basically data, and I need to pass this data whatever I'm fetching. Okay, so I will say that of 0 means on 0th index, whatever the data I'm getting, I need to manipulate that data here. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what I will say, basically I will go inside here, and first of all let me show you the exact how my code will look like. Okay, so see what I'm doing right now here. So I'm seeing basically I'm getting the data. Okay, and after that I'm basically getting the image URL. Okay, so see right now what is happening, we are just storing the keys in my database, not exact the URL. Okay, so what I'm saying, when I got the key now, I need to get that URL. So I have created here one function. Okay, so this is a fun function. Okay, and which help me to return a perfect URL of image. Okay, and I can define the width and height of that image also here itself. Okay, cool, perfect. After that I have just defined the like date, year, type, language, data, and UI description. After that cast we don't have, so like we will add in future, but so currently I am just keeping it as I can say basically as static. Okay, and after that we have an URL. Okay, that is /watch. Okay, so first of all what I will do right now here, I will first of all modify this. Okay, first of all I will modify this. So what I will say, I will say basically here we need a URL. Okay, first of all let's come here and see. Okay, so currently you can see guys, we have like if I even refresh, so I'm getting this movie here. Okay, so we are getting name, after that in which year it has released, and type whether it is series or movies, language, and UA 9+. After that we are getting description and cast and one watch now button. Cool, perfect. Now we will see why like we have fetched this data from DB, but images are not getting displayed. Okay, so let's see how we can do this if we are missing some error or something. Okay, so right now I will copy this. Okay, so let me copy this and let me move to my banner one file. Okay, so this is my banner one file. One sec, let me do control click. So this is my banner file. So as you can see I am displaying here item poster URL, but exactly what I need to do somehow like this. Okay, so I will say basically this thing, and what do I need now, I should get the data. Okay, so if I come here and let me refresh, so I'm not getting currently data. Am I getting any error? So it is saying that poster URL data dot poster URL, and I'm setting the width. So instead of data dot, it should be item. Okay, so I will say item dot poster URL, and let's wait. Okay, cool, perfect. We are getting an images now. The thing is that we are getting these images in some other ratio. Okay, so let's change that ratio even. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will go to my css, and in my css I will find where I'm setting the aspect ratio. Okay, this is an aspect ratio, so I will change this aspect ratio to 9 ratio 16. Okay, and let's see how will it look like. Not 9 ratio 16, it should be 16 ratio 9. Okay, cool, perfect. Now this is what we have displayed our images. Okay, perfect. If I refresh it again, I should get the data. Okay, so but right now this image is not coming. Okay, I will see why is it not coming, but it is displayed here but unable to display here. Why is it so? And let me do open. Okay, open image in new tab. I think we are displaying it in too high quality. Let's reduce the quality here. Okay, so what I will do for that, I will reduce it from 500 to 300. Okay, so this will help me to reduce the quality of this images. Okay, perfect. If I refresh it right now, so you can see here currently like we are displaying all the images, and all the images are coming perfectly, and we have achieved this layout. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next is there? Now next is when I click on this movie. Okay, when I click on this movie, or when I click on watch now, we should redirect to the specific screen where we can watch that movie. Okay, perfect. What I will do right now, I will just do click on it. Okay, and let's see will it refresh. Okay, we are redirected to this page. So what I am doing here, so let me show you here. So I have created one folder with the name like dot 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 and movies. Okay, inside this I have one page.jsx file, and on this file what I am doing right now, I am just saying that uh, like I'm using it on server side. Okay, after that I am saying I'm getting the parameters from URL. Okay, params from URL. Now next I am saying if okay, don't see this right now. Okay, don't see right this now if condition. Okay, now next what I'm saying here, results. Okay, results and await promise dot all. Okay, I'm saying promise dot all, and root movies, and select star from this. Okay, so as you know, like here you can see I'm selecting the movie. Okay, so what I'm doing right now here, so as you know I'm doing the same thing here. Okay, I'm selecting the banner all data. Okay, here itself also, so you can see I'm selecting the all data of a banner. Okay, now next I'm saying we have links of that movies. Okay, like different links like 360p or 720p 1080p means our video raw data is in different qualities. Okay, so I'm fetching those URLs and I'm manipulating the data same to same as our banner. Okay, same to same as our banner. Whatever is here in my banner, I am displaying same thing here even. Okay, perfect, fine. So I am displaying the data here. Now what next I want, I want that when I okay, first of all let's go back and let's come from this watch now button. Okay, what if I click on this watch now button, I should redirect to this screen. Perfect. So what issue currently we are facing, that we are not mapping the data. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will come here and I will see where I can do the same. Okay, so I will copy this thing. Okay, so I will copy this thing and I will come to my banner, and inside my banner I had one watch now button. Okay, I will paste it here, and cool, this we have done, and now what next I will do, I will basically see what error I am getting. Okay, so the error I am feeling is backticks. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what I need here, basically I, instead of this movie now, what I need here, I want this to be changed according to this data. Okay, so as you know, of course we have here movie ID, we need here movie ID. So I will say data dot movie underscore ID. Okay, underscore ID, and next what do I need, I need here basically a name of that movie. Okay, so I will say basically data dot title, and I don't have any first or data on first index or 0th index. So now I want here a movie ID also. Okay, but currently we are not fetching our movie ID from DB. So what I will do right now, I will say basically I need here movie ID also. Okay, or I will remove it because I don't think we require movie. No, okay, because we are saying select star, so of course we will get movie ID also. Okay, perfect. Now what next I will do, I'm getting here title. Okay, so if any space is there between that title, so we need to look into that also. So for that I am say I will use this one. Okay, so I will use this one, and I will come here, and I will paste it here. Perfect, and I will do somehow like this. Cool, perfect. Now what next I will say, let me refresh, is it everything fine, or it is saying item is not defined. Okay, so I will change it to data, and okay, let's wait. Okay, page is loaded successfully, and if I click on any poster or like any movie, and then I will redirect to that particular screen. If I come back and from here, if I click on watch now, so I'm redirected to the particular screen. Okay, perfect, cool, fine, everything working fine, guys. Now what next to see, guys, if any new user is coming. Okay, so if I show you, like if I'm click on this movie, okay, so when I click, it is taking a little bit of time. I want to show something to user, like wait, we are processing your request, or kind of indicator. So for that, what I will use, I will say basically I will go to my browser and I will search next top loader. Okay, okay, one second. Next top loader. Okay, and this is the website, Next.js top loader. And I will basically use this npm package. This will help me to indicate somehow uh, kind of line on my website. Okay, so I will come here and I will install fastly this in my project. Okay, so I will say basically npm I and install this package. So this is saying import this. So it is saying inside your layout.jsx import these things. So I will go to my layout.jsx and here I will import these things, and next I will integrate these things. So it is saying that just above to your children, like your body content, just paste it here. Okay, so it is saying just paste it here. Okay, I have pasted it here and I will say format document. Cool, perfect. Now if we want to do some styling with these, then we can do some styling. Okay, so what I will see right now, it is saying that next top loader is not there. Okay, let's refresh. We are getting an error that while resolving root. Okay, cool, perfect. Do I need to update the React also? Is it so? Is it so? We are using React this version. Okay. We are facing an issue with installation. So it required 16 or greater than 16 Next.js. Okay. So let it be for now. I will figure it out because we are getting some error with this React version. Okay. I will change this or I will go to React. I will basically say React latest version, and let me see what is the latest version do React have. Officially it's 18.2.0, but we need React 19. Okay, I think React 19 is not launched. Is it so? Once it is launched, we will so React 19 release on April 25th 2024. Okay, perfect. But we have an RC version. Okay, but I don't require RC version. I need an official React version. Okay, cool. Once this is released, what I will do, I will just change the version and update the package, and I will able to install this npm package. Okay, cool, perfect. For now, I will just remove my from layout.jsx. Okay, I will, or I instead of doing that, I will just comment it. Okay, I will just comment it. Okay, perfect. If I again come back here, then I will get the any, I will not get any error, and I will redirect it. Okay, and if I click here, watch now. So I'm redirected to this screen. Okay, home slash movie, and this particular. Now what I will do basically here, now when I click on this watch now, no, I will, like I will redirected here. Okay, slash watch. Okay, and here I need to say saw the video player. Okay, so what does mean video player? So basically video player is like where we will show the video player to the user. Okay, like I can say any kind of video raw data will be played. Okay, cool, perfect. Now what next exactly do we need? Okay, so I will basically say uh, I can say uh, video custom player. Okay, I will say video custom player in React. Okay, if I got any npm package or anything, I will see that. Okay, because we will at the end we need to just see how we can stream the video files. Okay, so do we have any demo? Do we have any demo here so that we can see how exactly our uh, videos will be played, how our player will look like? Do we have any? No, I don't think. Do we have any player? Okay, cool, perfect, not an issue. We will see another file. Okay, and okay, cool, we will see another player, and this is a video reactor. We will see this one player, and let's wait here. So this is what we have seen something, but they have not shown us demos. Okay, so but we need to show any, we need to see some demo, like how our player will look like. So I will like I need to say first. Okay, they are showing some screenshots. We are getting the perfect thing, but I want that I need some this kind of player where we can select the movie quality. Okay, so this is what they are showing to us. Okay, perfect, but I want that I can select the movie qualities like any data like in 360p or 460p. Okay, so let's figure it out how we can get this thing. Okay, so this is what they are showing to us, but do we have any kind of option to select? No, I don't think they have. No, they don't have. They don't have. I think source is this. Mm, no, video SRC is not track they are providing. No, they don't. They don't have even controls even. Okay, not an issue. Okay, 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 okay. Player muted. Okay, guys, I think we will wrap up this video here. I will figure it out in next video, like which npm package or which R library we are going to use. Okay, so but for now we will stop here, and in next video we will see which package we are going to use. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. Thank you.